In January, 10 people were killed following an assault on the Corinthia hotel in the Libyan city of Tripoli. The victims included David Berry, an American security contractor and former US Marine. In late June, 38 foreign tourists were killed on a beach resort in Tunisia, an event filmed by shocked hotel staff. The White House thinks the civil conflict in Libya is providing an opportunity for ISIL to spread across the region.
We are seeing, and we have seen, a concerted effort by some extremists in Libya to capitalize on the chaos in that country, to establish a foothold and carry out extremist acts of violence, not just in Libya, but even in some surrounding countries.
Unnamed US officials say they're approaching North African counterparts about establishing new bases to operate US drone aircraft.
The challenge for the United States in this region is to, at the very minimum, even before one talks about action against these terrorists, to get intelligence, to gather intelligence. And the key then is to have bases from which one can fly unmanned aerial vehicles to gather this intelligence on the movements of these terrorists.
The US currently flies drones to Libya from southern Italy and Niger. The long distances and unpredictable weather conditions can hamper operations. Given Algeria's reluctance to house foreign forces, analysts think Egypt and Tunisia are the most likely future hosts. But the US is not divulging details at this time.
I'm not going to detail ongoing efforts to counter ISIL. We continue to cooperate closely with countries in North Africa, the Sahel, and Europe, which share our concerns about threats that are emanating from Libya specifically. Our security efforts against ISIL prioritize mutual cooperation with our partners and are based on full respect for their sovereignty.
As has been the case in the past, if the US identifies what it deems to be a legitimate target, it's likely to conduct missile strikes using weaponized drones. But the US State Department says that while military options are being considered, it strongly supports efforts led by the United Nations to find political solutions in Libya. They're hoping that a stable, long-term settlement of the factional civil conflict will help to reverse the conditions which enabled ISIL to gain a strong foothold. Daniel Ryntjes, CCTV, Washington.